Tony, and remember what I tell you about that investor thing there, you know? Do it alone. Better yet, you and your partner deal with it. Yeah?
Browning, sell us something now, baby. You say now come patronize me. Then me there upon the work in a butcher. Getting some new thing, you know. Then me a put out.
You know someone chat to your family the other day.
How I go on?
Yo, I could chat around this, brother. Thing them boasted on.
Yeah man, you know. Feel the pretty and nice you.
Oh, this brother.
Oh, I want to say look at what kind you would you know, but we left him think them and him just back now, so I go and look for them to move forward. You know? I'm going.
So hold on there. Now you didn't make him get the work there. How am I going?
I want to tell you say I'm going with that thing, you know. You don't know, you know, speed up it, you see it.
All I know in the maker, make sure say pay for that, you know. Because a loan is a loan, you know, brother.
Don't know Butcha, I'm not too pressure, you know, because you know things slow, you know. You see me? But I'm have ample time to pay for it.
Just go and set the thing, man, you see me? Boy, mankind still more time I help them and time pan you still in, brother.
You have to just give them a rope in a Butcha. You can't determine what they're going to do from this, you see it?
Real talk, man.
This image has actually no color.
You don't know what I say? How do you make give fish as a link?
You know, so if you go give him a link from our day at the Butcha. So where am I going with?
Hittis. Right now, I don't know about you, but I'm done with vicious, you know, brother. Because if I follow him and the woman, the thing I get grimy, you know, brother.
John, no. So what go on now, brother?
The girl in a rate, brother. And far as I see it, the man look like him loyal enough to stand up for me, brother.
But you know a thing already, but you can't follow up woman, you know. You see me? Because them are going to talk. You know a thing already. I see them wherever we are going to talk certain things, same way, brother. You see, but we don't follow her up, you see me?
Bro, and I saw me look upon it still, bro. You see me? And I she or him, brother. You see it, and the thing them when she a talk, bro, and the man turn up and not say nothing, brother. She can't talk so much bad thing about her, bro, and the man even. It is that she ain't even know, brother.
Brother, I don't know. When I face a bitch, I can really listen to her and what she had even, brother. I look on it. When we're there in a bush right there, you know. We just never have to come in there. If you did up to she alone, brother. Now we alone with that out there. You see me and the man still go behind him back. You don't really control her emotions or her words, then brother. So she go talk anything. And true probably you didn't want to show a little respect, see you, you don't want it look no way. You see it?
It is, she talk something with bun me, brother. Hey, man, I tell you, say, bro, she had a talk about, say, yo, if a man continue to part with it, bro, I back to square one. Like she feel like I am alone to change him life.